lunch will be on your own. It's
Okay.
not included the part of tourist. But what you divided into 12 blocks. Then next tomorrow you have free time one day. But so it's not located in central Sapporo. They need to go outside about 20, 30 minutes by car. Everywhere we can find.
Morning! So where are we today, Cassie?
Mitsui Outlet.
Woo!
Shopping. Spend dad's money.
Hey guys, so we're at Mitsui Outlet Park and my face is so round. And we're just gonna do some shopping this morning. For our meal, you have to crack the egg.
You have to separate the egg whites.
Oh, you have to separate it? Interesting. Oh. See. Okay.
Okay, we didn't eat it whole. I thought it was hard-boiled egg.
Hey guys, sorry I wasn't able to take videos because we were busy shopping. Oh there, just
yeah.
here.
I should have known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line. But I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try.
Chocolate.
Nothing left I could say.
Oh, it's like
Oh,
it's hot though. So you have to melt it talaga.
ooh, it's smoking.
It's really hot.
snowfall is so crazy. And Mark's buying ice cream. Wait, where is he? He's so crazy. Oh my god.
Can I have both again?
Snow went in my eye.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in love. You're all I'm thinking of. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Just say that you'll stay, holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it's shaped the star.
Oh, is it?
Wala tayong nagising sa food.
Yeah, pass it on.
Dapat ending ito yung kainin. That's ending. Well, that record will be broken. Stop busin niya yan, ha? Busin niya yan.
Mark, pass.
Sabihin mo kung ano yung nagustuhan niya. Wala may bababasag ka, ma'am. Hi. Breathe.
Ayun lang.
Sa akin, binigay yun.
Hi, what's happening? Birthday. Oh! That was the most baboy thing we kidding. That was
not.
that was the most epic thing we did.
Epic. You know, nothing's gonna beat that. Wow.
Grabe, best place in the world, best place.
Who's full? Arigato.
Taking my time, messing my